I might actually be able to sleep.
That's kind of annoying.
Oh, I'm sure somebody will be out here to turn it off any minute. I don't think I can take this. Every time it turns off, I think, oh, maybe it won't turn on again. But then it does. Why does it, Robin? Why does it keep turning on?
Okay, it's gonna be okay, sweetie. Why don't we make a game out of it, okay? Why don't we sing along?
Oh, 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 oh. Meh, 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 If we get through this, I swear I'm gonna live my life differently.
I just want to tell my parents I love them one more time.
Morning, ladies.
It's him! It's the car guy! Get him!